What if I told you that your typing skills could earn you a real income online, without a single investment? A lot of people are looking for genuine ways to earn, and one of the most reliable side hustles right now is transcription. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real skill that can pay you well. Today, I'm going to break down how you can start, how much you can really earn, and what you need to make your first $100 as a transcriber right here in Nigeria. Welcome to my channel. Kindly like, share, and subscribe before we continue. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is transcription? It's simply the process of converting spoken audio into written text. Companies and individuals need transcribers to create written records of everything from interviews and podcasts to lectures and legal proceedings. It's a fantastic online job for several reasons. You can work from anywhere, on a flexible schedule, and all you really need is a computer and a reliable internet connection. For Nigerians, this is a great opportunity because you're tapping into a global market and getting paid in dollars. My research shows that it is one of the most consistent ways to earn money online. The earning potential. Now, let's talk numbers. How much can you actually earn? The pay for transcription is usually per audio minute, and it varies depending on the platform and the type of audio. According to my research, a beginner transcriber can earn anywhere from $5 to $20 per audio hour. Top companies like GoTranscript report that their top earners make up to $1,215 per month. While those numbers are for full-time work, platforms like GoTranscript, Rev, and Scribie make it entirely possible to earn your first $100 and beyond. For example, with an average rate of $0.5 per audio minute on some platforms, transcribing just 3.5 hours of audio could get you to that $100 mark. That's a very achievable goal. What? You need to get started. So what do you need to get started? The good news is, the barrier to entry is quite low. 1. A computer or laptop. You need a reliable device with a good keyboard. 2. Internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for downloading and uploading audio files. 3. Excellent English skills. You must have a strong command of the English language, including grammar and punctuation. 4. Good listening skills. You need to be able to understand different accents and speaking styles. Finally, most companies require you to pass a qualification test. This is usually a short audio file you have to transcribe according to their specific rules. This test is the most important step, and it's where most people get stuck. So, transcription is a legitimate, high-value way to earn money online, and it's a perfect step up from low-paying survey apps. But to get in, you have to pass that qualification test. In the next video, I'm going to give you a complete, step-by-step guide on how to pass the test for GoTranscript, one of the most popular platforms for beginners. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.